Hey everyone, I'm so glad that you are tuning into this video, and to all my subscribers and those who have been following my videos, I would like to convey my deepest appreciation. Thank you all so much because this really matters to me a lot. This is going to be the beginning of a series of unique videos which takes a steps further or deeper to delve into the relevance, histories, and backgrounds behind each Zippo lighters that I have been having in my collection. In response to dependable flames question being posted about what our collection philosophies are, so in response, this philosophy of mine is exactly as that. I do not see a lighter just being a photograph or something that people would typically find within a catalog. Behind every lighter I have, it's something else that I strive to uncover. To set the scene, let me begin by introducing 5 Zippo lighters that represent the landmark and icons within this country where I'm at. Singapore, being a small tropical island country that lies just slightly below the southern part of the Malaysian peninsula. We gained our own independence from the Malaysian governance from 1965, thus bearing our own country's flag since then. 1965, as you see on the Zippo date code, this is the exact year that we begin living on our own. Till present, we survive on trades, financial services, exports of goods, and a local tourism industry that may be quite unique. The first Zippo lighter that I'm showing is etched with the symbol of our national flower being the Vanda Miss Joachim, selected in 1981 to represent the country. The next item depicts a scenic background of the Singapore Chinese Garden, built in 1975, a park that surrounds a lake within the western part of Singapore. This place is themed around an ancient Chinese style of landscapes and architecture. It is still operational today. Two icons and landmarks are being laser etched on this piece here. First being the Malayan, which is a strange mythical creature, a lion's head jointed by a fish body. Near the Malayan landmark, it's the Esplanade Theatre, the key performing arts center of Singapore, which is just like the Sydney Opera House in Australia and the Saigon Opera House in Vietnam. We are not left out by the hard rock cafe chains that are so prevalent throughout the world. The Hard Rock Cafe, located here, sits along Orchard Road. That is a busy, bustling shopping and commercial district. This is exactly the place where I went to get this lighter from. Take notice of this feature balancing perilously on the roof. That is a 1961 Cadillac car. Sadly, it has been taken down, perhaps out of fear that it may land onto somebody's head in the future. From the year 2008, Singapore has been hosting its annual Formula One Grand Prix until this horrible pandemic puts everything to a screeching stop. The annual Formula One race has been held along the Marina Bay Street circuit, and when I say street circuit, it literally means that the normal street traffic within the Marina Bay district has to be blockaded to allow such race car to ply through. I tell you, it is very spectacular, and perhaps you should come and have a look one day. Alright, that is all about the 5 Zippo lighters representing the icons and landmarks of Singapore. If you like watching such contents in the future, do give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that a lot. That means so much to me. I am open to ideas, feedbacks, suggestions. So if you have any of that, do drop your comments below. I am open for healthy discussions as well. And if you have more time to spare, do check out my website dedicated to the passion of Zippo lighter collecting, stevetreasureschest.weebly.com. Apart from uploading videos onto YouTube, I also spend time publishing posts, blogs, and written and pictorial contents over this website. Just like how the older blogs and websites have been helping us throughout, it is my wish for my website to do the same for others as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Do stay safe and have a great one.